The phrase, a bit of elbow grease, refers to physical or manual labor. It usually refers to the process of cleaning or putting a lot of work into something. So if something isn't looking the best because it's dirty or needs to be cleaned, you could say, it needs a bit of elbow grease. In the kitchen, for example, the kitchen will be clean in no time. All it needs is a bit of elbow grease. The house is destroyed after that party. It will take more than a bit of elbow grease to put it back to normal. Sometimes you can be tempted to think that something needs new parts and a lot of money to make it good again, but you might find just some hard work and elbow grease is all you need. All you need to transform that car is a few new parts and a bit of elbow grease. I found a beautiful old mirror in the antique shop. A bit of elbow grease and it will look spectacular in my sitting room. You'll often hear this expression used in advertisements for cleaning products. To clean stubborn spills in the kitchen, just apply our product, add a little elbow grease, and it's as good as new. Or maybe you think someone isn't working hard enough and they need to use more elbow grease. Come on, put a bit of elbow grease into it. It won't clean itself. So remember, a bit of elbow grease means physical or manual labor, especially when it comes to cleaning. Now you have the confidence to use the idiom a bit of elbow grease. Can you think of any other ways to use it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click like if you found this video useful. For more great English learning content, vocabulary builders and videos, hit subscribe and check out our website www.EnglishLogica.com.